the setup for the application here. So you're gonna need to download the application here. So until you download it, obviously I go open the application. So all you have to do is import the configuration file. I'm not gonna send you, or you enter the information yourself. Either way works for you. So we're gonna go into the payload section here. So you have the payload as you can see. You have the processor as you can see. Now for this server now, I'm just gonna stop this. So for this now, all you have to do, you may not see the server option. It'll look like this, custom. All you have to do, tap on the area. So tap on the area, go ahead and select whichever server you want to use. The base server is United States. Now tap on United States now. Once tap on that, tap on the WebSocket, so you can see a WebSocket I use. Alright, WebSocket. So once you do that now, you can see select WebSocket, or you can use slow DNS. Either one you choose. Once you have the payload, and at the payload section you have the payload, you have the proxy, you're good to go. Down here, so now you select them two optional. This and this. Then two options you select. And good to go. So now the settings now, you go to the settings, and you tap on the settings up there, so you have to enable all of them here. And this too. So once you enable in there, it's going to boost the speed and everything. So after that, for that now. So once you set up all of them up there now, all you have to do, press pause start. So you may not be able to press pause start right now, go connect. You see me? So what you need to do, you need to just tap on this also, which is the server section. And it may say offline, but all of them are work. You get me? But some of them, if you don't renew it, or if you don't watch the ads, it now will show you when it expire. You get me? So today the 8th and the 10 that expire. So you don't need to watch no more ads. So if you watch one ads, that are 1 day. So if you watch 10 ads, that are 10 day get. You see me? So we are tap on ads also. So once you renew the servers, as I said before, you just tap on this and watch the ads. Each ads you watch, you get 1 day. So as you can see, 3 day we get. I'm gonna show all line care of, but in 3 day we carry it. Is all you have to do is watch the ads. The ads are like 10 minutes, 10 seconds, what you say. So once you done that now, you import the configuration. So I'm gonna send you a configuration. Now the config, I'm gonna send you a text. All you have to go do, I just stop on the 3 lines over here, so. And then tap. So when me send it now, all you have to do is tap on import from clipboard. So you copy the information when me send it, press on import from clipboard, and everything are import. So the payload, everything I got automatically import. So all you have to do now is just tap on this here. So as I say, you only be able to use the remote server. So you have to make sure you watch the ads, or is it gonna say pause for the expire or whatever. Once you watch ads, I have this and that, this one is mean on the server they alone I can use. So once you connect, keep the much good to go. Just tap on start. So you just tap on start. Yeah, I've imported. So all you have to do, you can just tap on the server section. So I'll show you. If you renew the server, You just watch the ads, click one of them and watch the ad. Use a different VPN application or use a Wi-Fi, whatever, to watch the ads. If you don't see no ads that pop up like this on the application, that means you need to close it and open it back. So once you see ads that start show up on a pop-up, that means the ads them are right now. So all you have to do, tap on watch ad and it will load up ads. But for this application, it not gonna load if you're connected to the application itself. You have to use a different application. As you can see now, you tap on start, you exit it, you get imported, just exit and open about the application. Once you do that, you put multiple to go. So now test the speed now. Alright, so this is a live speed test that automatically work. So the speed depends on your signal. As again, once you get LTE, 4G LTE, you're more likely to get them speed or even higher. You get me? And it bursts you. If I one ads you watch for the day, you need to watch them more ads. Yeah, good. So refresh this one again. As you can see, a live speed test. The speed depends by your internet connection. You get me? All depends by internet, your LTE. The VPN connection are really fast. You get me? Like extremely fast. Extremely fast. So all depends by your internet connection and your signal bar. So yeah.